What's the best solution to stop hiccups? Did you know that hiccups can be interrupted with unusual tricks? It's true. While some resort to remedies, others try to hold their breath or even drink water in very peculiar ways. However, science shows us that these actions have little basis. Curiously, hiccups are caused by sudden contractions of the diaphragm followed by the closure of the glottis. Despite being uncomfortable in most cases, they stop naturally. So the next time you find yourself hiccuping, relax and have fun testing out some of these curious techniques to see if any of them work for you. After all, there's no shortage of creative methods for dealing with this very common problem. What have people asked you to do to stop hiccuping?